Welcome back to another tool haul. This is Luke's Amateur Hour. Maybe trying to do a little something different with the intro. I don't want to keep saying welcome back to the video, YouTube, because I don't know, maybe you never saw my channel before. But I got to do the oil change on my car, and my car is a Subaru Legacy 2012, and man oh man, the filter is just in the worst spot. It's like wrapped with the exhaust, and it's just can't, you know what? You hold tight. I'm gonna show you what I've tried so far. To get the stinking filter off, I've tried a slew of things, and I'm looking to find them in my tools. I don't know where they are. One of the downsides to having a box you're not in all the time. Hey-o. Here we go. So I've got these guys. Oil filter wrenches. It's an oil filter. Fits on there pretty snug. Doesn't get in there because of no side access. Like, I can't get my hand there. So I bought the flexible one, right? There's not enough room for this. Right? Look, I mean, I'm talking like the width of a finger. No, not enough room for that. This, even trying to do it kind of like that, nothing. Just can't get on there. There's just no space. So I broke down, and I got the Neiko 3-jaw self-adjusting oil filter wrench that is for sockets. So, how does this come? Oh, there we go. Comes with an adapter, 3/8 to 1/2 inch, but it's also got the bolster. I didn't even notice that for the wrench. And so what this will do, hopefully, is fit on there, and boom. So I can tighten it down. He said hopefully, or loosen it up. Yeah, that should grab the existing one, hopefully. We'll see. So I got my socket wrench to just give it a whack. Thought I might need an extension on that. So I'm going to go with 3/8 to start because, you know. So yeah, that should be able to get the old one off. Nice. It kind of self-tightens. You can see that's the tightening mechanism, right? So opens it all the way up. If I keep going, oh sweet, I'll be able to tighten it on. I won't want to tighten it on with this because I want to be hand tight. I don't want to be like bearing down on the thing. Happy that this is this comes with a 1/2 inch adapter, so let me see what my 1/2 inch looks like and what wrench I might need for that. This is a tool haul, guys. Not a great one, but it's a tool haul. Right over there. So when I'm not sure what wrench I need, just grab them all. Okay, so first off, 1/2 inch DeWalt socket, fitment, pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. Oh yeah, I like that. That's good. So the adapter, good. It's got the little things on the inside, right? So that's good. Let's see what the outer diameter here is. That is a 17. No, 18. Bigger than an 18. Jeez. Is it inch standard? I say bigger than a 3/4. I don't have anything bigger than 18 or 3/4. Do I? I don't think I do. Let's see. I do. 19 or 7/8. So 19, no guts. 7/8, loosey goosey. This might be a 20 mil. I don't have a 20 mil. How's about them apples? Yeah, I might need bigger wrenches. Hey, I might need bigger wrenches. There might be another tool haul coming up. Not that I'll actually need that because I can get, I mean, geez, I got a 1/2 inch. I can get plenty of leverage. Although last time they went like 3 Ugga-Duggas too heavy on putting my filter in. The last time I had to take it off. So luckily this time, it's the time I did the oil change, I think. So, oh no, you know what? I had it at the shop the last time. Anyway, all right, thanks for tuning in. Tool haul, quote unquote, Neiko 3 jaws. So when I do my oil change, I'll show you guys what I got. But if you've used this kind of thing, tell me what you think of this. It looks relatively basic, no big deal. A single gear in the middle, 3 individual gears that tighten a jaw. No big deal. Hopefully it works for me. Thanks for tuning in. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. Like, comment, subscribe if you so desire. That is up to you guys. Have a good day. All right. If you made it this far, you deserve to know how this thing fared. So I'm just tacking this on the end of the video. So first off, did a great job. It did a fantastic job. The filter was on super tight, and this, you know, it took a little finagling. I had to use my extension. Right, I was in there like this, and I had to hold this and rotate my thing, my extension, so it'd grip on enough, and then I was able to like turn the whole thing. But it took me all of like 3 minutes to work it out, whereas the last time I had to fight my oil filter, no lie, it took an hour and a half if it took a minute. So yeah, this massive time saver, and for the price, what, $12.50 or something? Fantastic. And then, oh man, I got wrapped around the axle on something else. This bugger here, I didn't even need it, right? I just ran it off my 3/8 ratchet, which I was using for the oil plug, blah, blah, blah. But I wanted to know. I didn't have a wrench that was this size, so I'm like, you know what? Maybe I'll buy a wrench. I don't know. But, oh wait, let me check my sockets. So I'm popping around in my sockets, and okay, so long story short, it's 21 mil, right? There's the slightest amount of play, no big deal, 21 mil. Yeah, so I had worked it. I had checked it, and it fits on a 13/16 for 2 of my 4 13/16 sockets. So I got a deep, I got a 1/2 inch 12 point, or I'm sorry, a 1/2 inch 6 point. This is a 12 point 3/8 inch drive, short. I got a 12 point 3/8 inch drive deep, a 6 point 3/8 inch drive shallow, and a 12 point spark plug socket 13/16 3/8 inch drive. So that's 5. Sorry, 5. Of the 5, 2 13/16 would work on this. They fit snug but perfect. The other 3 would not, and I was wrapped around the axle. Anyway, turns out it's just 21 mil. You do the math on that, 21 mil is like 0.826 inches, and then a 13/16 is like 0.816, so off by a thou, or a hundo, a hundredth. Yeah, that's why I was getting all torn up about this. Like, in any case, loved this thing. Told my buddies about it as soon as I got the oil change done. Worth it. For 12 bucks, can't beat it. Fits the small Subaru oil filter. I highly recommend it. My name's Luke. I'm an amateur. That is an amateur recommendation. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. If you made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you tuning in. Maybe think about subscribing. Drop me a like or something. Or even better, drop me a comment. I'll reply. I might even love it. Thanks for tuning in. You guys have a great time.